Hi, I'm Christine from Bentley Boston, New England's premier factory authorized Bentley dealer, where you can custom order a brand new Bentley or choose from the highest quality pre-owned vehicles in the area.
The Bentayga is as luxurious for the driver as it is for its passengers. This vehicle pairs unparalleled craftsmanship with the latest in driving technology, making it a true sanctuary in motion for both the driver and the driven. The Continental GT offers a truly engaging driving experience. Combine this with elegant design, contemporary craftsmanship, and seamless technology, and you have a grand tourer that makes every journey breathtaking. The Flying Spur is a four-door sedan that offers both exhilaration and refinement, with engaging exterior details that create a commanding presence and the agility and power to generate unmatched performance.
Our Bentley Design Studio is where you'll find everything you need to make your Bentley exactly what you want it to be. So come to Bentley Boston and custom order your personalized vehicle today at New England's premier Bentley dealership.